If you or a loved one are suffering from Ecoboost problems, we have got the solution for you. We just got in these 3.5-liter Ecoboost engines. They are built by Ford OEM, remanufactured long blocks. They come very complete, and these are in stock, ready to ship. So as you can see, we've got the valve covers installed, we've got the timing cover installed, harmonic balancer, we've got the oil filter and the oil cooler already installed, and then this also comes with a high volume oil pump. Gaskets are sent out with the unit, everything that you need to complete your install. Despite having been built by Ford, these are covered with our warranty. That means that it comes standard with a 3-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty, and we give you the option of upgrading to the 5-year, to the 7-year, or to the Powertrain Pure Care. If you're not familiar, the Powertrain Pure Care is a no-fault warranty option that covers up to $150 an hour in labor, also reimburses you for diagnostics, towing, and rental car in the event that you run into any type of warranty issue. We have discussed a little bit of the common issues that consumers see, so I won't go into a lot of the details. I will just say that the oil cooler and the oil contamination issues are prevalent, and that is why we send this out with the filter and the adapter and the new cooler already installed to hopefully help get rid of any of those issues you might be experiencing. We've got them in stock, ready to ship, so give us a call.